You guys smell that? It smells like deals today. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for today's video. Today's video is all about deals. Like, I'm super excited. This is a $5 and under shop with me video. No, we're not going to Dollar Tree. No, we're not going to Five Below. We are actually going to one of my favorite department stores called Gabes, and I'm going to show you that they have regular priced items for $5 and under. Given there's a lot of things in the store that are, you know, more money, but the items in this video are all going to be $5 and under, so stay tuned. Let's go. So we're starting in the women's department with this dress that's $4.99. I know you're looking at it like, but honey, those horizontal lines really accentuate the waist. Those pinstripes are amazing. The navy blue color, I love it. And for $5, you can't go wrong with some knee-high boots. I love it. Okay, so I'm not going to talk throughout the whole video, but I just had to share about this jumpsuit. It kind of looks like a faux leather, but it is really cute. It has the tapered leg. It looks like it's fitted. I didn't get a chance to try it on, but I love it. It's $4.99. Definitely cute. You can dress it up. You can dress it down, date night, boots, heels, whatever. I love it. Oh my gosh. I wish I would have got it though, but I didn't. Okay, so I love this Who What Wear dress from Target. It's $4.99, of course. I just wish it was a maxi. It wasn't my size anyway, but I think this dress would look really cute, buttoned halfway up as a maxi dress. Show a little leg with some strappy heels, but nonetheless, it's still a really cute dress. Okay, if you've been following me on my Instagram, you know I am into the leopard and cheetah print this season. And I know the blue is a little different for me, but I actually like it. And it was only $1. Yes, $1. Yes, it's on clearance, but I mean, how could I leave it there? So I'm definitely going to show you how I style it on my Instagram. So make sure you follow me on there as well. Like promised, I'm not going to show you too many clearance items on this video because I wanted to stick to regular price items that are $5 and under, but this pumpkin spice and everything basic t-shirt for only $2 is definitely coming home with me. Just in case you didn't get the memo, Christmas is coming and these holiday mats are super cute and they are only $2.99. Yes, all of them are $2.99, so you can definitely take $20 and buy them all up. How great of a deal is that? If you know me and you've been to my house, you know I love blankets, and these 50 by 60 blankets are only $4.99. What kind of crazy deal is that? And they'll make perfect gifts, or if you're like me who likes to collect them, you can grab like a whole bunch for like hardly nothing. So yes, go to Gabes, get your blankets, stock up because I don't think they'll last long. I'm grabbing these for my home office. If you didn't see that video, make sure you check out my home office tour right after this one. I've been organizing my house like crazy lately, and I know they don't look large in the video, but these are some really large jars and they're $5, and yes, I definitely need them all. If you're looking for kitchen supplies and utensils like I am, then this is definitely the place for you, besides the other places that we already know that has these items for really cheap. Yes, definitely $5 and under. Most of the items are $1.99 and $2.99. So yes, Gabes is the place if you need fun, cute looking kitchen supplies. I absolutely love this aisle because I'm still able to stock up on the many top name brand items for less. Like, I love Dove products. I actually love Parent Choice. That's actually a Walmart brand that they sell at Gabes, and everything is like $5 and under. Like, guys, I really need you to get there and buy up everything so the next time I go, I don't have to buy up the whole store like usual. Gabes definitely has a large selection of toys for cheap, but they have a great selection of kids books for mostly $3.99 and $2.99, and I love getting these for my children. So I didn't get a chance to go to the shoe department this time, but I did go to the jewelry department and picked up 2 necklaces for $4.99. I love them. I previously made a video concerning earrings, so if you want to see the earrings that they have, please check that video out after this one. So please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in part 2 of my next video.